Your Honor, I think Mr. Collins represents him in that matter. Uh, Julius Collins in Terra County.
Represent him on the part of on the other side.
On the issue that he's in Terra County for.
But I entertain a non-profit judicial attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. That we have Leah Martin on the calendar again for compliance.
Here. The official came in, she didn't have a license. She ever got a license there? Yes, I will.
And Stanley Washington. We have Gabrielle Patterson. Come forward, please.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I do have you. I'm sorry. I thought you was asking if I had my permit, but no, sir. I have my license. I'm just under 21.
Washington.
When you, was stopped by the police, you had a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You did?
Yes, sir.
What's her ticket on that one, driving without a license or driving while unlicensed?
I just didn't have it on me at the moment.
Christopher Washington.
Well, how do you feel not having a license? How many people police up?
Can you ask the question again?
Hmm?
Can you ask the question again?
You distracted? You did this or he did? To the charge of not being able to produce the driver's license when the police stopped you, how do you plead to that charge? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
It really doesn't make a difference unless you screw this up, all right? Okay, you already got a license. We'll remove that one. And you had a wreck. All right, according to the under 21 conditions, you are to complete the physical driving school, pay $200 administrative fee, and to submit an insurance claim letter. If you can't do all of those, you gotta come back to court on September the 27th, 2024. All right?
Yes, sir.
Eagle Hawkins, I'm sorry, I don't want to make two trips. You got a light today?
Jordan Brown. Yeah, this is a under 21 stated in same language.
Ms. Brown, under 21 order is approved. You comply with the order and your charge will be dismissed. Thank y'all. Hey.
Tamika Alford. Yeah, she's charged with failure to appear following the court of accident. No proof of insurance.
When did Ms. Alford miss the court date? May 15th. She signed that citation? Okay. Ms. Alford, you're not aware that you had a court date on May 15th, 2024?
No, sir, I missed it by mistake because I work down here, but I don't.
Well, I asked you
live
that
down
because you circled not guilty to the charge.
here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'm
To the
talking
charge
about
of failure to appear for your court date, how do you plead guilty?
Yes.
I
for
no
that.
contest. Guilty?
Yes, sir.
And were you able to produce the insurance?
I
Or-
have it here and I also,
Excuse me?
I do have proof of
What
insurance.
did I ask you?
Was I able to prove? Yes.
How?
Yes, I do have
How?
produced. Because I showed it to her, the officer on my phone, and then I came to the courthouse, they scanned it.
When you
in.
showed it to the officer on your phone, what did he say? She gave you a ticket for it anyway?
I didn't get a ticket for it. I got a ticket for I got a ticket for following too close.
Did you read this form?
I did, but when I got the letter in the mail about missing my.
Why you
court
keep
date-
talking about what we're not talking about? You're not gonna confuse me. The paper I got said he charged you with following too close and no proof of insurance. And you say he didn't charge you with no proof of insurance.
Not originally.
Did he ever charge you with no proof of insurance?
According to, the last paper I got, yes, sir.
He gave that last paper later on?
No, the lady at the courthouse,
All right, let me see that citation.
when I rescheduled.
Let me see. Okay, so.
Yeah.
But there's no information about. There's no proof that she had knowledge of signed the citation. All right. There's no proof of insurance is dismissed.
Thank you.
Let me see the record report. On the falling too close, did you tell the police officer you thought the vehicle in front of you had already left?
No, the vehicle in front of me moved and then they did a sudden stop. I did tell her that.
You did tell the police.
Yes, sir.
Vehicle in front of you pulled off and made a sudden stop.
Yes, sir.
What caused you to hit it?
I-
I mean, what caused you to hit it and you're not at fault?
I
What-
own fault for it
Who you circle not guilty for?
because I own hitting the vehicle. Like I take ownership of hitting the vehicle. I just don't think that I was following too close.
So what made you hit it? Would you not paying attention? Inattentive? But that would be a better choice, you think?
Yeah, I think I wasn't paying attention. I thought that they had moved on.
Let me see your driving history. Miss Apple, where do you work?
Walmart.
Which Walmart?
I'm over a market, so not one particular Walmart.
And you are 43
Mhm.
and you have 14 years of education.
Mhm.
You understand that on each one of these charges, you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine.
Mhm.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand those rights?
I do.
She had one red. Have the insurance company contacted you, or have you contacted the insurance company?
My job handles all of that.
You was in a company vehicle?
Mhm.
Let me see that report again. Hold on. But you don't know whether they paid for the damages or not?
No, sir, I'm not sure. It wasn't really any damages, though, but I'm not sure. It wasn't any damages.
That's what you drop like you have with.
Mhm.
All right. I'll look through it. Can't get an insurance claim though. Is that all right? Email address too.
Email, yes, sir.
Mr. Lamar, this young lady, had an accident. They accused her of following too closely. What she says makes sense. Car pulled off and stopped and she hit it. She don't deny hitting it, but she, would admit she was inattentive, but she was not following too closely. It was a Walmart vehicle and she don't have the information about that claim letter. Probably can't get one. But she asked for a trial on it. I don't think it's worth the trial.
Thank you. Mhm. I
Can you-
also-
can
I
you-
also have pictures of the accident, so you
We
see
not
there's no
trying to have a
damages.
trial. David, I'm saying is, if you, can you get you think you can get a letter from your job? Trying to figure out what the insurance company did or did not do?
Oh, I got my insurance company information. And I can get
Oh,
you the
no,
claim
you
number.
driving a Walmart vehicle.
Mhm.
Okay.
And I
The
have
question
that.
is whether Walmart insurance took care of the other folks' vehicle that you said were not damaged. Can you
It-
get information like that, you think?
Oh, yeah, I think so. Cause I have I can go look in my email. Let me see. Mhm.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Who is the damage on both cars? She's a tough one actor. She's tough.
What if we modify the charge to 2 fast-food conditions, which doesn't report your license, and leave up to him whether he issues a fine or not. He may not issue a fine.
Okay, yes, I'm good with that.
Just circle it. It don't matter. It's gonna be reported.
Go on with that. Thank you. All right, on the failure to appear to court,
Claim.
you have to pay the fine for $100. Court accepts a no contest plea to a reduced charge of fast food condition. A reduced fine from $123.20 to $50.
Thank you.
And no insurance is dismissed. Total fine is $150.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
When can you pay it?
Now,
Pay it online, you know? Get your new address on your life when you get a chance, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Rashika, forward, let's go.
Right. Told you last time, turn that chair around over. That one. You forgot? Take a look at the computer screen. Keep open information. Need to turn it over. She don't look like she's too nosy. She might not look, but you know.
Gary Bitts. Charged with basic here, no insurance.
You got the name, Mr. Yeah, Miss. That your glasses, that a screen? My glasses. No. So why would we reschedule it? We rescheduled because he missed it. Do you deny that you missed your court date?
Say it again?
Do you deny that you missed your court date? Do you deny? It's working good. Do you deny that you missed your court date?
No,
Well, the failure to appear on here and you enter a not guilty plea, why is that?
I was unaware of the date.
You want to see a copy of the ticket with the date on it and your signature on it? We can show you that.
Say it again?
You want to see a copy of the ticket
I
with
was
your,
unaware of the date. I relocated and lost all information.
are you guilty or not guilty of failing to appear for your court date?
I'm guilty for that.
Okay. Let me see the no insurance citation. You still have the same vehicle?
No,
The vehicle that you had, what happened to it?
it was totaled.
Did the insurance company pay for it?
I don't know. I don't own the vehicle.
You didn't own it, you didn't own it then either?
No,
correct, but he was not at fault. Tag on there is not coming back to that point. And then the city can prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the vehicle didn't have insurance. Stop. Hmm. Yeah, you the close one, didn't they? They trying to use you to put the information in there, right? You know, Christina, miss?
That's my mom.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Different boy?
No.
All right, court, accept the guilty plea to pay to appear to fine of $100. You'll be scheduled for trial on the no insurance. And you, what do you work? So you work during the daytime, nighttime?
I'm self-employed.
Okay. So tell them what the potential court date would be so he'll know whether or not. Hmm. When can you pay the $100 for contempt?
I can't do it today.
Okay, when can you do it?
Next week.
All right, give him 2 weeks. Okay, I'm at third. Thank you. You can have a seat right there, sir.
Gerald Stevens.
Y'all boss left already? That way y'all close the door. That way y'all close the door.
Lakeisha Clinton was charged with speeding, going 58 into 40 and failing to appear. She's pleading no contest.
Ms. Clinton, you are 46 and you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
What do you work?
Magistrate Court.
You understand that you could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and a $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand all of your rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court accepts a no contest plea to a reduced fee of 54 and a 40. The fine is 113.05. Why did you miss your court date?
I forgot I had to work that day. I'm a single mother, 5 boys. I forget a lot. And it slipped my mind and I'm sorry.
Went to the driver. All right, on the the court accept no contest plea. I suspend the fine based upon hardship. The total fine is gonna be 113.05. When can you pay that?
Probably next Friday, tomorrow or next Friday,
You pay every week, every 2 weeks.
every 2 weeks.
And pay within 30 days, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you can have a seat right here. We'll do the order and then you'll be released.
Prayer Davis. Both Davis.
Dolores Buchanan is charged with no insurance.
You're free to go, sir. You're free to go. It's dismissed.
Antonio Myrick is charged with failing to appear and driving on suspended license. He pleads no contest.
Mr. Mark, do you have a valid driver's license?
Correct.
You're 25 and you have 15 years of education.
Yes, sir.
Are you employed?
I do IT services for Fulton County School Systems.
You understand that you could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand all of the rights?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lamar, would you rather I dismiss the charges that, what you got? You got a null process with a signature already on? Which is more convenient for you, to dismiss or null process? Okay. All right, the contempt, no contest, $100. When can you pay that, Mr. Meyer?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
You said
When can you pay it?
I'll pay it tomorrow.
I'll have it paid within a week, all right?
Yes, sir.
We'll give you an order to that effect, and then suspend the license and null process. Okay. Thanks. Then the license is dismissed. You can have it right.
Thank you.
Tyreek Baldwin is charged with failure to yield causing the accident. He pleads no contest. And we're now processing his no insurance matter, Your Honor. He has proof that he had insurance and he showed that proof to the insurance provide with a police officer on that.
Are you still in school, Mr. Baldwin?
Sir?
You still in school?
Yes, sir.
What school do you attend?
Westover High School?
And you're in the 11th grade?
Yes, sir. Oh, no, I'm a senior, sir.
You're a senior?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Oh, we start going too fast. You were telling me or you asked me? Or you just make the comment? I don't need to hear your comment. I'm being harassed up here. You got a curfew every day off. Curfew in the daytime, curfew at night. Blank. Blank. Mr. Baldwin, you can be required to complete the test driving school. Pay $100 administrative fee for the charge to be dismissed for you. Or Mr. License. Get an insurance claim letter. You already have an insurance claim letter, ma'am?
We have the claim and we have the verification of the letter from the insurance company verifying that he had insurance. And,
Was that a wreck?
sir,
Was there a wreck? Was a
it-
wreck, right?
there was a wreck, yes, sir. And there was a claim. Everything, as far as I know, has been paid for.
That's what I'm asking. I need for you to get a letter from the insurance company.
Mhm.
Letting the court know that the claim has been settled.
Okay.
We write that all down. What kind of grades you make? You got a C, huh?
A's and B's,
What's the grade on average?
3.1.
We made some C's and D's somewhere down there. Some C's. You that where you going to college yet?
Right now I do dual enrollment at Albany State.
You have a major yet?
Business.
When you finish high school, you gonna leave your mom and go out of town, or you gonna stay at Auburn State?
I'm leaving.
You gonna take over with you?
When I make it that far.
Okay. You said it right now, because she could put you out the dead, you said, no, you were gonna take it with you. All right, you finished this and the charge will be dismissed and, we already, dismissed the no insurance charge. Right.
Thank
They say y'all got the best football team in the city this year. You beat Darty, I'm gonna put you in jail. So you tell the football team not to beat Darty, they can beat Monroe. All right? You playing football? Let me know what weekend the game on so I can put you in jail that weekend.
John Baptist is charged with driving on suspended license and driving on expired tag and pleads no contest.
Mm-hmm. Mr. Matthews, you're 54 and you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Unemployed, sir. Can't work.
Are you disabled?
Almost.
You don't
I
get a
mean-
disability check?
Did that last month. I'm just waiting on them to approve me.
So you don't get a check yet?
No, sir.
You understand that you could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
I'm on a whole lot of medication, Your Honor.
Does medication cause you not to know what you're doing and what you're saying?
No, it just make me real dizzy.
Okay, you're not dizzy right now.
A little bit.
But sit down, we don't want you to fall down.
That's why I'm wide-legged.
Okay.
That's why I got my leg wide.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Now, you ain't had a driver's license since you got a DUI in 2011?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why you haven't tried to get your license back?
Okay, I was on my way to work in Thomasville. I got pulled over in Camilla. The officer pulled over.
What are you
said-
telling me about that? I'm not asking you about that.
Because they say my driving license ain't suspended. They say
They
it's
are suspended. I'm looking at it.
right. That's what I'm saying. Then I
They're
went to court.
suspended
They
for a
throwed it
DUI
out.
in 2011. I'm looking at it.
Yeah. Then
And
when
I
I
asked
went,
you, why didn't you go back and get your license after the DUI? Why didn't you try to go back and get them after the DUI? Huh?
cause I'm told I'm messed up. I
Okay.
mean, I got my
So,
paperwork.
You didn't have money to go to the school and all that stuff? Did you go to the class?
Shoot, you know, I barely can walk. I'm finna get
You
ready.
barely could walk in 2011?
No, that's when I didn't know I didn't know my body was messed up like this till January or this.
Well, I mean, you gonna fast forward to 2024.
Right.
The license been suspended since 2011. I'm asking you why in all that time you didn't try to get them reinstated.
I'm trying to maintain. That's why I wanna ask for the mercy of the court for my condition and for a hardship because
You can't get no hardship if you know your license been suspended all that time and you get behind the wheel of a car. Why did you get behind the wheel of a?
that's what I'm trying to explain. You know, the day I got pulled over, I had just left people put in the hospital. I was on my way to the doctor office. So when he pulled me over, I thought he was going behind somebody else, but I moved to the side. So I explained to him saying I need to get to my doctor. I gotta be to my doctor office because I just had surgery on my throat and my spine. I'm finna get ready to have another one. I had 3 major surgeries and one procedure within 6 months. And I got one more to go. That's on my lower lumbar. I got my story out to show you.
So it wouldn't do me any good to order you to get a valid license with.
Yeah, it will, cause I
Yeah.
need. Well, then again, Your Honor, I ain't gonna tell you no lie. On Tuesday, they might classify me like they did my mom not to drive. Because I keep.
Well, they ain't gotta do that because you ain't supposed to be driving anyway.
I be falling out.
You ain't supposed to be driving since 2011.
I just blanked out twice and injured my reels and stuff. That was on maybe 17. Fell like twice, right behind each other, spontaneous. So they finna see what wrong with my brain.
All right, the court accept the plea to the charges. I place you on probation for 24 months. The fine on the suspended license $750.84, and the fine on the tag charge is $205.10. Maybe you'll get your check through and you can make monthly payments on that. That's order for.
Thank you, sir.
You able to walk upstairs or not?
Sir.
You able to walk up the stairs?
He walk up the stairs.
Walk upstairs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you
Yeah,
take
I
a few
can walk.
steps with me?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I think so.
Tiffany Pollard is charged with 2 counts of failing to appear and 2 counts of driving on suspended registration and 1 count of no insurance. She pleads.
No contest at all.
You are 35 years of age.
Yes, sir.
You completed high school.
Yes.
You understand that you could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each charge.
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand your right?
Yes, sir.
You still have the car?
No, sir. I don't have that car
What
anymore.
happened to it?
It went back to the dealership.
What was the problem with the registration?
Um, the first time when they stopped me, they said something about the tag. I wasn't sure. He was just like, go check on it. But then I got stopped again, and it was because of no insurance. I guess the tag was canceled or something like that.
Why did you miss your court date 2 times?
To be honest with you, I don't even know when the court dates was.
Where do you work?
Duncan.
Hmm?
At Duncan.
How long you been there?
3 years.
You got another car now?
No, sir. I don't have one now.
Children?
2 girls,
How old?
17 and 15.
Both of them in school?
Yes, sir.
What does your husband do for a living?
I'm single. I'm not married.
Ain't no, get child support?
No, their father is deceased.
Hmm?
Their father is deceased.
You get any assistance from the state?
No,
You know why I'm asking you all those questions?
no, sir, I don't.
Because your fine is very high.
Oh,
I'm trying to figure out basically what you got going on, and see what's not gonna be. Each one of those suspended registration fine is $611.38. Normally I reduce that when folks come in and they got the registration. That's what I'm asking you, you got 2 children in school, don't get child support, don't have a husband. You working full time at that?
yes, I work full time.
What they paying you now?
$15 an hour.
Got a lot of money?
No,
You sell life suspended for these periods of years. How much is reinstatement fee these days? Can I waive the reinstatement fee? I'll wait. All right, on the failure to appear, each one of those is $100. I reduce both suspended registration and no tag so that you can get your license back. I reduced the fine from $611.38 to $300 on each one of them. You ever been convicted of a no insurance charge before?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Within the last 5 years?
No, just that one, I think.
That's where to a no loss to the no insurance. Not suspend the fine in the amount of $496. That's 24 months. Probation TOP. Obtain about right. But I'm gonna waive the fee on her reinstatement, so if you got that, I'll sign it. Thank you, ma'am. You have to see right here. You go get your license, I waive the fee you have to pay for the driver's license plate, okay? You did what? You did what? I don't know about all that. What kind of class? This court suspended your license, but you're not showing up in court. You never had a license? Okay. You going to get us some donuts? Yeah, tell on her. She got a countdown. Come there and get some of her account. Okay. All right. Let me ask you this: did she get in the meat from over there? Cause she told me she don't eat meat. Tell on her. Run her history, I wanna know about it. Mhm. In other words, she ain't bringing us another, Emily come there every day. Emily gotta bring it, next week. Let me see her, you say you got a certificate or something in there? You got something showing where you took a class or something? Let me see what that is. Oh, it's just- You had a DUI? Yeah. Name provision, DUI treatment, LLC. All right, thank you. Thank you, man.
Latasha Anthony is charged with failing to appear, expired tag, and seatbelt violation, and she pleads no contest to all.
You need copies of this? For the young lady that was up there. Miss Anthony, you were 45 and you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
J&J Healthcare.
You understand that you could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront, and subpoena with, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. You understand those rights? You understand your right?
Yes, sir.
You missed your court date because of what?
Because I didn't really realize what the day was. I thought my court date was on the 10th, but it was on the, I don't forgot what day they told me that it was on. Really, I forgot about the date I supposed to came to
It was
court.
July the 8th. That was on the ticket anyway.
And then I found out, and then I went to the courthouse and I made because when I really looked at the paper, then I figured out. Dealing with old folks who will never know. I act like them sometimes.
You must act like them because you sure not old.
Do you know how long I've been in this field? 24 years. Wish I could.
You got a different tag on the vehicle?
Hmm?
You got a different tag on the vehicle?
Mm-mm, the
When you were
tag.
stopped, you had a paper tag on it?
I was supposed to go get my tag a day. It was the second. I
You
got
got
the
a
tag.
car from?
Shoemaker,
That rain,
sir.
that rain.
No, I got it from Shoemaker. A Grand Marquis.
What you got? You got something showing me you got a valid tag?
Mm-hmm. I got it the same day he stopped me in my yard. He pulled me over in my yard. And here go the tickets on the same day he pulled me over.
On the, child seeker restraint violation fine is $50. I reduced the contempt fine to $50. On the tag charge, I suspend the fine in the amount of $205.10. You got to pay a total of $100 rather than $400 or whatever. When can you pay that?
Can you give me at least 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a seat right there. And your hair looks nice. I don't know why you try to cover it up. But your hair look nice. Why you come in with a head rag on? I don't want to hear it. When you come to see me, don't come with a head rag on. Show you here, huh? Yeah. All right. Don't go to church with a head rag on. Don't come to court with it.
Hey, when I go see my probation officer, get what you do. I have to take it out right there in the front.
That's right. Don't need it. Don't need it. I ain't gonna ask you what you're on probation for.
You already know.
I put you on probation. I put you on probation.
Yeah, you put me on probation.
Why you still on there?
And then I had to come back.
Yeah, hot dog in a minute. What a microwave. He know we owe it on. Ain't trying to get cute, trying to get warm. So you're supposed to pay a fine amount of $350? You got the money?
No, sir, I just started working Monday, part-time at Wiz International.
Something new. Why you miss your court date?
Sir,
Why did you miss your court date?
I had the dates mixed up with my orientation for Wiz International the court date, because the court date was the 20, if I'm not mistaken, was 26. It was the 26th in the of July. But my orientation was actually on the 29th. So I had both of those mixed up. You had 26, but my court date was 26. But I showed up on the 29th.
I reduced this contempt fine to no contest plea. I'm finding 50 for contempt rather than 100. And add that. We placed on probation for 12 months, pay your fine that you should have paid in that $50 as soon as you paid probation to end, all right?
All right.
12 months. You can wear a hearing aid over there? I had mine on all this, I got ready to come here.
Kellyanne Bridges is charged with failing to appear and stop sign. She pleads no contest to failing to appear, and we reached an agreement for an admin fee on stop sign.
Ms. Bridges, you are 49 and a half, 15 years of education.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
MSA Orthopedics.
Ain't been there in a while. Probably need to go back.
No, you don't need to go back.
Hmm?
You don't need to go back. That means you're good.
That mean that, the rehab wasn't good enough, so y'all didn't do a good job. All right, on the administrative fee at my discretion, is that what? Just fee? Didn't write anything on here. Did he discuss this with you, Ms. Bridges? Did they discuss this?
The amount?
Yeah. They discussed what they wanted me to do. No? Where the commission court date?
My father was admitted to the hospital the day before in Alabama, and he was gonna have surgery the next morning. I did try to call that morning, but before court, but they said they can't do nothing about it the morning of court. So.
I'm sure nobody on staff told you that. I'm absolutely sure.
No, she did tell me that.
Oh.
She said because it was the day of that she couldn't do nothing to
That's
change
not a
it.
good
so.
answer. That's not a good thing to tell you. There was no wrecking ball. All right, the contempt of dismiss based upon a statement about taking a father in the hospital. The recommendation of the solicitor to dismiss the stop sign for administrative fee. The administrative fee will be $93.20. When can you pay $93.20, Ms. Bridges?
Today or whenever.
I pay it within 24 hours, 2 days. You'll be able to pay it online too.
How many days?
Yeah, I said 2 days. You want more days? I can get more days.
No, I just can't hear.
You either, you want one of my hands? You have
I
to see
can
right
this year. I gotta turn this way.
here. You have to see right
You
here.
said 2 days. Yeah.
Nigel Stevens is charged with failing to appear in proper backup with accident and having no license on person. Please no contest.
You're 30 and you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work, sir?
Zelmo's gas station on 82.
You understand this could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand all of the rights?
Yes, sir.
Why did you miss the court date?
I didn't know about these tickets until I appeared for a ticket I got last month. I didn't get pulled over. This didn't happen to me, Your Honor.
You didn't get pulled over.
This was not me that happened to. Somebody
again,
else
now?
used my name.
You said that ticket is not yours?
It's in my name, and I didn't know about these tickets until I went to court last month for a separate ticket, and that's when they informed me. I was never pulled over this year. This is not my address. Never owned that vehicle. Never.
Why are you
lived
trying to
there.
enter no contest plea to it?
I just wanted to get this over with today, and not have to deal with it no more.
Have you seen the ticket?
Yeah, my first time seeing them was when I went to pay for a previous ticket from
Who
last
showed
month.
you the ticket?
The clerk at where you pay for your tickets at across from the downtown courthouse. That was my first time being acknowledged about it.
So you say you never live on Country Club or
No, sir.
you live over 2,800?
No, sir. My address has not changed since I moved back to Albany in 2018.
Anybody else have a driver's license?
I've lost my wallet multiple times throughout the years, so it is possible.
Got an accident report in there too? You didn't have a wreck either?
No, sir.
What say you? The no license on person means that whoever wrote the ticket didn't have anything. And so if it hit somebody named Nash, how bad was that? All right, the charges is, Miss, you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Tanisha Jones. Got your fellow to appear. Come up for you for a while, license, non-qualified. Driving without license, no license on person, seatbelt violation.
Hey, is he standing too close to you? He don't start acting like he rushing me. Yeah, he acting like he need to get away from around you. He normally go when I draw my pen, he'll go. He's going now when I finish talking. Talking to you the rest of the man, cause he ready. Holding up the watch and all that. You are 32 and you complete high school?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
I run my own business. I got a cleaning company, BB&A Cleaning Solution.
A cleaning company?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each
Yes,
charge?
sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the
No,
influence of
sir.
alcohol, drugs, and medication? You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand those rights? That's Hawkins and Miss Lamar's fault. It ain't my fault you don't know her name. Her name is Quenisha Jones.
Yes, sir.
You have your license with you today?
Yes, sir.
You have your tag straight now?
I don't understand what was wrong with it.
So whose name is it?
My car is in my name.
Why you know that was a problem with the tag?
He said it was improperly displayed.
Where was it?
It's on the back of the truck where it belongs.
All right, I'll look at the. Vehicle had a tag frame around the tag, blocking the entire county signal, unable to see both properties.
How?
Did you fix that?
My decaf is not covered and the county is not covered, so I didn't do anything.
You got a picture of it?
No, sir. It's outside though.
Go take a picture of it.
Right now?
Yeah, don't get no screwdriver and chain nothing.
Just don't skip my name and let me come back to the thing.
You're going to the bottom of the list unless you got it right. Anisha Swan? Why are you here?
Disorderly conduct.
I understand that. I read that part. So tell me why you're here.
Because somebody was following me and we fought.
That what you do? Let me see Miss Anisha Swan. for police report. He's 17, so you know somebody follow behind you. You put a stop and beat him up. David, come on up. That's Shamiria.
Yes,
You're 18, you completed high school?
yes,
You completed high school and you're in high school.
completed.
You understand it to be sentenced up to 6 months in jail and $1,000 fine on a disorderly conduct charge?
Yes,
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
no,
You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to front, and to be with and the right to remain silent.
yes.
Juan, you still in school?
Yes, sir.
What school you attend?
Cobb Horizon.
Hmm?
Cobb Horizon
Where's that?
in Marietta.
What you doing down here getting into a fight?
Visiting family.
Hmm?
Visiting family.
What did Capria do when y'all fighting?
Nothing. Nothing. She was just there.
What?
She was just there.
Was she driving?
No.
This was a rematch from the other night?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Why I'm reading that in the report that it was a rematch?
It was, the rematch never happened.
She asked for a rematch, but it didn't happen.
Y'all think it's funny though. Put y'all behind back in jail.
We was being stalked first.
What?
We was being stalked, and then that's how the fight happened.
All this about Willie Sapp? All y'all like Willie Sapp? Who
No,
like Willie Sapp?
no.
We was just in the car with him.
We was in the car with him. She was
And
following
y'all,
us.
y'all pulled up on the girlfriend?
No,
She called us in traffic.
she followed us from Circle K all the way down
His
Greenville.
girlfriend followed y'all.
Yes, the
So-
girlfriend and the friend.
Well, y'all riding with Willie Sapp.
That's friends.
How you get a friend out of Atlanta?
She
Because
from
I
Albany.
stayed down here before. I'm from Albany.
Y'all not have any contact with that young lady. What's her name?
McCalla Brown, Nakia Silas.
Who bonded out? Davis? I
Yes.
mean, Superior Davis, innocent. So-called. Oh, Billingsley, who was that?
My grandma.
She spent her money on you. Name is Audie or Audrey?
Audrey.
Maybe it is. All right, Jamaria Davis and Swan, you are both to be placed on pretrial intervention for 6 months. You are to complete the responsibility awareness program and perform 40 hours community service. And have no contact with that young lady. I guess I can't keep y'all away from Willie Sapp. If you coach Willie Sapp, basketball and baseball, whole thing. He just graduated. Oh, in 12th grade. He should have graduated.
23.
Yeah. All right. Miss Nevia Davis is charged of dismissed and Audrey Billingsley will get a refund in the amount of $126.88. Take them away. And who are you, ma'am? Which one?
Can I approach your bench?
You can go with, they're going down the hall. You got them straight or you want me to help keep them straight?
I got it.
All right.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. You were out that long time with it.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah. He didn't take it off. She should have taken it off. You need to come off. You know what they're talking about?
I see now that everybody broke it down to me. But like I explained to them, I've been pulled before and no one gave me.
I don't make no
a ticket.
difference. You might have winked you out to police or something like that. You know, anything could have happened. They would have write you a ticket. Don't start that. Okay. You take it off and get something that don't cover up those numbers, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, display a license plate. Reduce that fine to $50 because you're gonna take it off. All right, so your fines are gonna be $160.75.
What is the 100?
100 for failure to appear. The wireless device is dismissed. The no license, driving without a license is reduced to no license from person. I reduced that fine to $10. Adult seatbelt violation is $15. And the license plate is reduced from 205.10 to $50. So you add that up, it's 100 plus 10 plus 15 plus 50.
Okay.
And then when can you pay that?
Next week.
Pay it within 2 weeks then, all right? Thank you, ma'am, and thanks for being a good sport about taking that picture.
Thank you.
How long you been cleaning the house? Good. Give me a picture of one of the rooms. Chief? He went to somebody's tattoos on their home.
That's my daughter.
Once it went away. Ain't see no phone. The cheapest I got mine.
Well,
Okay.
my kids gonna do the iPhone, that's the cheapest I'm going.
I like a new house. This house was empty when you cleaned.
Yes, sir.
It's easier, is it?
Not really. Not really, it's up here in Georgia.
You got a car?
No, sir, not only. I'm just prepared for that. Amen.
Call Emily tomorrow or Roger and give it to him tomorrow. Give him the number. Where's the number? Commercial property is different than housing.
Not really.
I need my office. Please.
It's not really at all.
Take office 20 and get them. I'll take tomorrow. I ain't going that way.
You said 20th.
You got to take them. Sit. All right. So you got to look at it before you give me a price.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
I usually charge, but I'm not gonna charge you some good. I usually charge, but I'm not gonna charge you some good back. I go down on the tickets and stuff.
Okay.
No, thank you.
Yeah, wait a minute. Number. What you doing over there? Is you cleaning up? No? You tired of being here? I am. You ain't gonna sleep over there. What time you gotta be home? Huh? You don't get home by now, you're trick the family to the fifth. Let you get that. Yeah, real. Oh, yeah, that trick when you put up. Yep, cool, like MD. Remember she had 3 at one time. You gotta give it to them first. You might need to use your service first so you can see how it works, then let me know. Roger. What, man? If it's your house first, then if you like it, you tell her, she tell me she good, then she clean mine. Nope, no. Right. You must make your wife clean your house. We're not being recorded anymore. You can lie. I hear. Well, I ain't gotta hire her. You can come over my house. I ain't got no problem with it. Doing another hobby. Hey, come on, clean up.
John Young, Sioux County City, to appear and say that they accept the code of life.
Mr. Young, you're 21, you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work, sir?
Noah.
What kind of income you got?
No,
How you gonna pay your fine?
I'm paid.
Have you ever worked anywhere? When the last time you worked?
2023.
2023? You in school?
Albany Tech.
What are you in Albany Tech for?
Carpentry.
Hmm?
Carpentry.
How long you been in for that?
I just started. I was at Albany State last year.
What you were doing over there?
Marketing.
You quit?
I ain't
You
like
gotta
it.
quit. You didn't like it? Well, you missed your court date 2 times.
I ain't know I had court.
Hit you.
No, I didn't.
They didn't put it on your ticket.
No, sir.
Got 5K. All right. So, you got a 5K in conjunction with these 3. You got 2 new peer-to-peer. We supposed to have 2 peer-to-peers and 1 have a control device. All right, the court accept no longer continue pleas to all 3 charges. $100 each on the peer-to-peer, and $320 on the self-control device, 6 months free trial. He's complete responsibility awareness program and show proof that he's enrolled in Albany Tech. Now, well, you can put down that, well, would that there come up? Yeah, put both on it, on that day. Well. Last time was you last put, they ain't heard you since last, from you that, since last put. You equipment for the new judge? You equipment for the new judge? Judge William went down there and Dawson took the job, now she, that's your head judge down there, you the head probation officer down there? Judge William, okay, I called Judge William, see what's going on. How's Judge William doing down there? Y'all had court last Thursday. You doing better than me? Say it. No, no. Man, it's all been fixed. No, the PDS was not on the first one. I was put that wrap on it. She'll never come to court when it's supposed to.
Don't know that bill. So you're old, please don't come to.
Mr. McMillan, you're 48 and you completed 13 years of school.
Yes, sir.
What do you work, sir?
Port City Timber.
You understand, that you're gonna be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each charge, on the one charge? You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled, 100 right to trial by jury, right to front and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand your right?
Yes, sir.
A log fit off the truck or something?
Yeah, the log on back of the trailer and slapped the woman's car. Scraped down the side of her car there. 2 doors across her hood. She never knew I hit her. I didn't know I hit her. Someone pointed at my load there and I stopped.
That charge impact.
We have camera systems in our truck, so we need to see the videos of anything.
400, 4,900, Marvel. Kind of truck
It's
is
a
it?
Western Star.
Hmm.
Yes, Western Star. It's a 4,900 class. That's the model of the truck. It's a semi 18-wheeler. We come through here hauling wood up into the mill up here, Georgia Pacific Mill up here, lumber mill. Come through the middle of the town, made a turn, and the tree hit her car.
Mhm.
And they said that I failed to secure the load. The load was secured. It's on video camera here. Got video of me of my truck. And we got cameras on the truck. The load was secured down. Yes, it was a tail swing.
What that mean? Even if they're gonna pre-trial, you gotta report. Report. All right, 90 days pre-trial, 123.20, $50 probation fee, terminate upon payment of 173. Biggest thing, what else? You know what it is? Right. Yeah, yeah, that's funny. Mr. Leffler, you can be excused if you want to. I don't think we have anything else for you to do.
Hey, thank you, Your Honor. Good to
You're
see
welcome.
you.
I got the information, I got the order done for the jail already too. So I appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
Will you take tomorrow off? All
I
right,
appreciate it. I'll do that.
don't go to the office, stay at home with your wife.
Well, she may work me too hard, Judge.
I know it, so stay at home with him work.
Uh,
Uh,
I just show up at the office.
don't tell her you gotta come to court in the morning then. She gonna think you in court and you're not gonna be down there, so you won't have to be at home. I'll let you handle that, go ahead.
That sounds too complicated. See you.
All right. Christopher Washington? Mr. Washington, you're 27 and you completed high school.
Yes, sir.
You understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and a right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have a valid license, all right, the court that accepts a guilty plea to failure to appear, the fine is $100. Seatbelt violation, $15. Where do you work, Mr. Washington?
Work at XLC Services at Partner Gam.
Okay. On the suspended license, I'm following the recommendation to reduce the suspended license, driving while unlicensed. I reduced the fine from $750.84 to $350. When can you pay the fine?
By the first.
I have it paid within 30 days, okay?
Yes, sir.
You have to keep right here.
Yari, you go with? Kind of face this here. Walk under.
You are 21 and you have 14 years of education.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Target distribution.
You understand you could be sentenced up to 6 months in jail and $1,000 fine on disorderly conduct.
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, right to confront and subpoena witness, and the right to make a trial. You understand those?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did they take you to jail? They let you go.
Took me to jail.
You end up beating anybody's booty?
Huh?
You end up beating anybody's booty? Told him take his badge off, you'll beat his butt.
Look, so
Yeah,
I-
so enough.
I really don't remember saying that. They were really provoking me.
You were drunk?
Yes, I was under the influence.
Who was provoking you?
The officers.
Why you have to take his badge off for you to beat him up?
I don't remember saying that, sir. I remember
I've
told
heard that
them.
before, but I don't know why folks say.
I
If
mean,
you
I-
didn't have that uniform on, take your badge off.
I probably did say
If
something.
they
Right?
take your gun off when I beat you, I can understand that. Badge off.
Yes, sir.
Jeez. Sorry, I thought not make up that kind of. They didn't do an extra report on it. Was somebody else charged too?
Yes, sir. It was a whole situation.
What, y'all in the parking lot of food line?
Yes, we was leaving. We had a flat tire, at Smoke City. I was fixing a flat
I
tire.
don't know nothing about all that. Where is and what is Smoke City?
It's right next to Food Line. Yes, sir. It's
You smoke hookahs in there, son?
yes, sir. And
Marijuana?
really anything you want.
Smoke anything you want. Okay. All right, your fine is, $226.88. When can you pay it?
Can I get to the first?
You pay it within 30 days.
Thank
You don't have anything else on here? No more disorder conduct?
Nah, I don't got no more disorderly conduct.
You been a good young man?
I got theft by taking.
Don't tell no police officer that, man. Yeah, secret. You must have been a small police officer. Or you were drunk, you don't remember. You don't remember, that's, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, don't even worry. So you didn't take any? Okay.
If she can afford, what kind of thing to appear, what kind of follow close with the accident, and what kind of no insurance.
You're 43, you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
What do you work?
At Aspire Behavior Center at
Yeah.
the Crisis Center.
Okay, you understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each charge?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and non-incriminating yourself. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
It's indicated that you wish to enter a no contest plea to failure to appear following too closely and no insurance. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you have valid insurance now?
Yes, sir.
What happened to the insurance?
I thought I with this company called Dismute, and they supposed like overdraft my payments like every month.
Draft them,
And
not overdraft them.
Huh?
Go ahead. Put a draft them, not overdraft them.
Well, draft it off my card every month, but I guess not. But I haven't received any kind of consolation paper in the mail or anything like that. So I thought I had insurance.
It's the insurance you don't have insurance.
I'm with
I mean, that's what's on the document.
I'm with Accepted Insurance now.
What minute? Okay.
And they're following too close. The car that was in front of me is another car had pulled out in front of that car on the cell phone. So when he slammed on brakes, I slammed on brakes too, and it slid and bumped his car.
Why you missed your court date?
I was moving at the time, and I forgot my court date.
All right, on the failure to appear, I reduced the fine from $100 to $50. Following too closely, all these no credit test, $123.20. No insurance is reduced to no insurance on person. Since you have insurance, I reduced the fine from $496 to $250. Total fine, ma'am, is about 400 something dollars. How long it take you to pay that?
Can you give me about 30 days?
Yes, ma'am. I give 45 days to stretch it out a little bit. Yeah, see right here, man. What's that? I go 10. What, man? See, I hear you say something more, and I take leave after for 30 days. You got 30 days. I teach. Finish. Well, you know now. Give me a warning, I may not come. Do it permanently. Have that stuff permanently. Have to start picking wrap up from home, man. Wrap this stuff down and stuff. That'll help y'all though, man. Y'all have had night quit y'all about and 30 minutes. Oh, but then he be rescheduling for himself, so that'll be fair. No, he done let up 50 folks go. We want to end up paying them on win. So I don't know.
Roberto Augustus. Starts with phase two here.
I'm on the bench, man. I gotta call you back. You are 30 and you have 18 years of education.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each charge?
No, sir.
Why don't you miss your court date?
Well, I'm not from here, sir, and
You what?
I am not from here. I don't stay in Albany.
What that got to do with missing your court date?
Oh, this is what I'm gonna tell you. So, the day they give me before, they sent like a mail, and they told me to change the date. When I went to go pay, when I went to the court date, and the court was like telling me like they don't do the court there. I went to the municipal. I'm not sure which one it was. They told me like that's not the city one. When I went out there,
The courtroom was lost. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
not lost. I'm not from here, so I don't know what's
All right, on
location.
the here to appear with suspended fine, because I understand what you're going through.
So
There's no fine on that. On the stop sign, it's 93.20. When can you pay that?
So the thing is, sir, I stopped. That's why I originally trying to put like not guilty. The reason I say I stopped because I saw the officer. Let me tell you what. Let me tell the scenario so you can fully understand.
I don't need to hear the scenario.
Because that's what I'm saying, sir.
You want to have a trial?
No, I stopped because the car was passed in front of me, so that's why I stopped.
I'm not being rude to you, but if you want to have a trial, you're entitled to one. You know, you're right. You circle not guilty first, and for some reason you circle no contest. What made you change your mind?
Because I did not understand either one. I did not understand the context because I was told like, hey, this.
So
like,
you say you stopped and then what?
I stopped, and then when I pull out, because I saw the officer when I first came out, and then when I stopped, and then he went on, I drove off, and then he pulled me over, and he was a brand new officer too.
Driver did not stop at the stop sign.
I promise you, sir, I stopped.
That was written on your ticket too?
Repeat that one more time, sir.
Is that written on your ticket too?
Yes, that's what I told him. Like the reason why I told him like go ahead give me the ticket because I didn't want to argue with him because I'm a U.S. Navy, and I didn't want that to actually I didn't want to actually get into altercation with the officer. I said, hey, give me the ticket, and I deal with it in the court.
What do you do at Albany State? You at Albany State?
What happened, sir?
Are you at Albany State?
I used to, sir.
What do you do every day?
I'm a U.S. Navy reserve, and currently working at Phoebe right now.
At Phoebe?
Yes, sir.
Doing what?
I'm a supply information system team leader for supply department. And also I just got done with my active duty time, and I'm currently on the reserve. So on the weekend, monthly basis, then I go on training.
So you want to have a trial?
So that's what because I know for a fact, so I stopped. So that's why I want to actually start with go with the trial.
What? No? Huh? Roberta. Those children sit around. They just watch. Uh, yeah, I don't know, how do you get rescheduled? Yeah, attempted dismiss and your case being scheduled for.
Repeat that one more time, sir.
Your contempt for missing court is being dismissed, and we're gonna schedule you for trial on the stop sign violation.
All right, so I thought that was a trial, so I'm sorry. Because I don't fully understand the system, so I'm just asking questions to fully understand what's going on.
You got another question?
No, so I'm just trying to fully understand, like, I thought that was a trial, that's what I was asking.
That's fine. If you did not run the stop sign and you stopped at the stop sign, you should have a trial. And it's the city has to prove that you ran the stop sign beyond a reasonable doubt. If they can't prove that, then you're found not guilty.
Thank you, sir. Also, like, do I have to have a lawyer or something like that? Because I'm not
No,
sure.
that's your choice. Yeah, but if you want to hire a lawyer for a stop sign violation,
No, it's
you
not,
can.
I don't want to take it that far, so I just want to make sure, like, you know,
You
like.
can do it yourself. You're a smart young man. You can handle it.
So
All
I'm
you
not
got,
try-
all you gotta do is question the police officer about his vision, what he saw, and whether he should your car, and he wouldn't had his head down trying to sleep. You can cross-examine him pretty good. You wanna hire me, the judge?
So I'm not trying to be smart or anything like that. So I'm just asking because I like I said, like I never been to this.
I just
situation
told
like
you.
this before, sir.
I'm
Just
telling you
trying
the
to fully
truth. If
understand.
you, the judge can't tell you whether or not you need an attorney. You have a choice yourself as to determine whether or not you need to hire an attorney. If I were your age, it'd be an economic cost thing for me. I know the ticket is $93.20. I don't know a lawyer in the world that you can hire for $93.20. So
How much is it, sir?
if you hire me, it'll be $3,500. But the ticket is worth $93.20. So to me,
$93.
economically, it would make sense to hire me and pay me $3,500 to represent you on a misdemeanor in municipal court when the fine is $93.20. So if you lose, you still got to pay the $93.20 plus what you paid me. If you win, then you don't have to pay the $93.20, but you would have paid me $3,500. So that may help you determine whether or not you need to have a lawyer. That conversation I just had.
No, sir.
Okay, it's not even 8:45 yet.
Georgia Whitmire. Says to the period, been like,
Need to retire, man. You can see now, you need to retire. You are 24 and you have 13 years of education?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work, sir?
I currently just got fired today.
Fired from where?
Southern Point.
What did you do there?
I was checking water meters, but I ain't come in because I thought I had court earlier this morning, so they let me go.
You had to miss more than one day going to work, wouldn't let you go.
Man, yesterday was my first day of work. I kid you
Oh,
not.
your first day at work?
Yeah.
And you missed the second day?
Missed the second day.
You're supposed to be fired.
No,
What kind of trade you got?
I'm a commercial electrician. Been doing it for 5 years.
Where did you go to school?
West Oak. I didn't go to college.
Somebody taught you how to do that?
I taught myself.
And folks hiring you like you got a credentials?
I mean, I'm a badass, excuse my language.
Okay. All right. Why you missed court date?
I had 3 other court dates, one in Cochran, one in Truland County. One was for the 10th, one was for the 17th, and then the following month for the 17th, so I got confused.
I'm sure you did. You have your license back now?
Yes, sir.
And you had your high beam lights on?
From the officer standpoint, yes, sir.
What time of day or night was it?
Night, probably 11:30, 12.
No one be after midnight when they do you like that. 12 midnight, 12:19. All right, we'll do $100 on the fair to appear. I reduce the spending license on driving while unlicensed, reduce the fine from $750.84 to $350. And the use of high beam, I suspend the fine on that. So your fine is $450. I'm gonna give you 45 days to pay it since you're not working right now.
Yes, sir.
See if you can come up with it, all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like if I move from the corner, it picks it up, but it does sometimes and sometimes it doesn't.
That concludes the calendar.
There's no further business, we're adjourned. Can't stand you, Hawk. Yeah. Don't want to see me tomorrow. Hey, don't have me sign a Terra County document.
No.
I signed it for a month after I left. I'm tired of it. I'll sign for Judge Williams. He probably don't get back with y'all quick as I do.